Today I'm going to show you how to create a contact. Click on your chat icon, choose the plus sign, and choose New Contact. You can put in a name, add a company or job title if you would like, and add a phone number. If you would like to add multiple, you can click to add a phone number here and choose which one will be primary. So when you click the phone icon, it will call that primary number. You can also add an email address or a location. Once you're done, click Create, and that person is added here for you to be able to send a SMS text to, or if you click down in the call control icon, you'll notice you now have a tab called Personal Contacts. That person shows up here, and if I click this icon, it will call that primary number.